English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2. Addiction, adventurous, barely. Addiction. Addiction is a noun. B2 learners usually know addiction. Addiction is the fact or condition of being addicted to something. Here are some examples. She stole from others to pay for her addiction to drugs. He is receiving help with his alcohol addiction. Gamblers get trapped into the vicious cycle of addiction. Adventurous. Adventurous is an adjective. B2 learners usually know adventurous. Adventurous describes a person who is willing to take risks, to try out new methods, ideas or experiences. Here are some examples. He is an adventurous traveller. Adventurous people like to try new experiences, like bungee jumping. Now that I have been to many countries, I feel more confident and adventurous. Barely. Barely is an adverb. B2 learners usually know barely. Barely means only just or almost not. Here are some examples. She nodded, barely able to speak. His eyes were barely open, but he managed to thread the needle. The plate was so full that I could barely finish half of it. Now write some of your own sentences with addiction, adventurous and barely. Download the free B2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.